Hi, my name is Yuxin and I'm one of the co-founders of Replo. Today I'm going to show you how version history works in Replo and how you can restore old versions of your page directly in the app. So let's say we have some old content here and I'm going to publish this page. Replo automatically saves a checkpoint every single time you publish. And so once you publish this page and decide to change the text, you can now restore to that old version. So now I'm going to change this to the greatest coffee pod ever made and republish this. Now, once this is published, I can now restore back to an old version of this page just by clicking this arrow and going to view version history. Here, I can look at all the versions of the page I've published and preview them just by clicking on it. If I go back to an old version of it I like, I can just press restore version and Replo will bring back an old version of the page that you can use and then republish. Hopefully that was helpful, and let us know if you have any questions. Thank you.